In this video, I'm going to show you how to close Interactive Broker's account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to log into your client portal, so on the web over here, and then you want to click at the very top right where you can see kind of your profile icon, and you want to click on the settings. Now, whenever you're inside settings over here, you want to scroll down until you see account configuration, and then over here, as you can see, the penultimate option, second to last over here, says close account. So click on that, and it's going to take you to the account closure page over here. And as you'll be able to see, there we go, it's going to say we're starting to see a go, and then it's going to basically tell you a bunch of different things you have to do before closing your account. And of course, when you do all of these, you'll be able to go ahead and click on continue over here, but make sure you actually only do this if you are sure you want to proceed. Now, after you do that, as you can see here, it's going to say a bunch of different things, and then you'll have to just confirm everything, and when you come to the very far end, your account will be closed. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.